Good morning, students. Today, new lesson, Geography, Unit 4, Resources and Industries. Listen here carefully, students. Introduction. Any matter or energy derived from the environment that is used by the living things, including humans, are called natural resources. Natural resources. Natural resources. Any matter or energy derived from the environment that is used by the living things, including humans, are called natural resources. The natural resources containing air, water, soil, fossil fuels, minerals and plants and wildlife. These are known as natural resources. For example, natural resources: air, water, soil, fossil fuels, minerals, plants and wildlife, known as natural resources. Natural resources of the development of economy in our country. Natural resources is one of the raw material. Raw material means unfinished product. It converted into finished products. More and more natural resources are used for the raw material. Particularly the industries are used these raw materials converted into finished product. The natural resources are divided into two. Natural resources are divided into two. One is the renewable resources, another one is the non-renewable resources. Listen here carefully, student. What do you know about renewable resources? Renewable resources is again and again we can get known as renewable resources. Again and again we can get after utilization. That is known as renewable resources. For example, solar energy, wind energy, biogas, tidal energy, wave energy. These are all known as renewable resources. Non-renewable resources. Non-renewable resources are the resources once extracted cannot be replaced. Once extracted cannot be replaced after utilization. That is known as non-renewable resources. Non-renewable resources, renewable resources we can get again and again after utilization. That is known as renewable resources. Non-renewable resources once extracted cannot be replaced after utilization. That is known as non-renewable resources. For example, petrol, coal, fuels, fossil fuels, like that. These are all known as the non-renewable. Example for the non-renewable resources. Minerals. Minerals are the natural substance of organic or inorganic with definite chemical and physical properties are known as minerals. Again, listen here, students. Minerals are the natural substances of organic or inorganic with definite chemical and physical properties known as minerals. For example, minerals are found in many places on the earth. Note it, mining. Mining is the process of extracting minerals are known as mining. Mining, the process of extracting mineral known as mining. Note it, open pit mines. The mines near the earth crust, where near the earth crust where the mines are found now, that is known as open pit mines. The mines near the earth crust known as open pit mines. Shaped mines. The deep mines are called as deep mines is there no? That is known as shaped mines. Types of minerals. The minerals are divided into two. One is the metallic mineral, another one is the non-metallic mineral. Non-metallic mineral. Metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals. Metallic minerals, it is a mineral which contain one or more metallic elements in them. It is a mineral, metallic mineral is a mineral which contain one or more metallic elements in them. For example, iron ore, manganese, copper, bauxite, lead, zinc, etc. These are all known as metallic minerals. It is containing the metals. Note it. Iron ore. We are going to see the metallic mineral. Contents of the metallic mineral. Listen here carefully. Iron ore. Iron ore is the ore. It is distributed in the earth crust. Widely distributed in the earth crust. It is containing more and more rocks and mineral. Rocks and mineral containing in the earth crust. Widely distributed in the earth crust. And rocks and minerals containing in that iron ore. Especially rocks like that, igneous and metamorphic rocks. These included, the iron ore is found in igneous and metamorphic rocks in our country. Total recoverable containing in this iron ore hematite and magnetite. Hematite found in Assam, Bihar and Uttar Pradesh. And magnetite we can found in India, Andhra Pradesh, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. These hematite we can found in our country, Assam, Bihar and Uttar Pradesh. And magnetite we can found in Andhra Pradesh, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Note it, students. Jharkhand is the leading producer of the iron and steel ore found widely distributed in the Jharkhand. Many industries were located in the Jharkhand in India. More and more iron ore found in Jharkhand. SIAL, what is the SIAL now? Steel Authority of India Limited. Steel Authority of India Limited. India Limited, known as SAIL, SAIL. Steel Authority of India Limited. The more and more Steel Authority India Limited come under the many industries come under the Steel Authority of India Limited, the government-owned company and industry, and more economic development were made by the government under the SAIL, Steel Authority of India Limited. Noted. More and more the industries were developed and economically want to develop in these industries under public sector. Noted. Manganese. Manganese is a silvery grey in color. Silvery grey in color. It is one of the brittle in nature. Brittle is easily break. Easily break. easily break in nature. Brittle. It is very hard and hard, but easily break in nature, known as brittle. And it is used more and more iron and steel. Manganese was used more and more iron and steel were manufactured with the help of manganese. 10 kg of manganese used for 1 ton of steel were manufactured. 10 kg manganese is required for manufacturing 1 ton of steel. 1 ton of steel. With the help of manganese, more and more manufacturing goods like bleaching powder, insecticides, batteries and paints were manufactured in our country. Noted. With the help of manganese, totally 10 kg manganese used for manufacturing 1 ton of steel with the help of manganese, and with the help of manganese more and more manufacturing goods like bleaching powder, insecticides, batteries and paints were manufactured in our country. The most famous areas in manufacturing of manganese found in India are Odisha, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, etc. The manganese is the fifth largest place in the world. The more and more manganese were produced. India is the fifth largest country in the world for producing of the manganese. Noted. Okay then, students, tomorrow we will continue the